Hey, welcome back to Swapnil Infotech. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your AWS PowerShell script more transparent, secure by displaying which identity you are using to authenticate. We will start simple, then progressively make it safer for presentation and tutorial. So, in the first part, we are going to show which identity, AWS identity we are using by calling Get-STSCallerIdentity command. We can see the account number, user ID, and ARN, and this is really useful when you want to confirm which credential are active before running any command. So let me only run this command and it will give me the output in this way. This is output. Now we are changing the output to show before running any script. If we want to add that, okay, first identify whether you are using the correct profile or not, right? So, or which account or username you are using to authenticate your script. So we have made our script with the try and the catch statement. So what we are saying here, whatever the result is coming here, we are storing that into the identity variable, and then we are printing that variable according to our like output. Okay, so let me show how it works. And you can see here the earlier output with a single command was like this, and then after our like this modification, the output is coming like this. But there is one problem here. The ARN number is given as it is, and whenever you are recording or showing your like you user ARN from the AWS is not a good idea. Okay, so what do you want to do? You want to hide the ARN number and then only print the user account, right? So what modification you have to do? Okay, so we have to apply some filter on the identity, this variable, and then we have to print it to get only the username. So how we are going to do that? So we have to use or create another variable. Okay, let's call it as username is equal to, okay, and then I will copy this. Okay, so ARN, then I'm going to split. Going to use this parameter split, and split between from what is like forward slash. That is what we can see here, right? If you pay attention, and then I'm saying -1. Okay, so we'll use this username instead of this ARN number. Okay, so itu. And this time you can see here the ARN number is only giving me the user account detail. Right now, this time it is not printing the whole ARN number, which is the security risk when you are showing or recording the video for the public. Okay, now there is one more thing here where the account number is getting printed as it is. So you might be want to avoid that situation where you don't want to show the whole account number to your viewer or to the public, right? So how can you hide that? So let me here put a comment: extract only user name from the ARN, from the AR. Okay, that's it. Now we have to like hide the few characters here. So how we will do that? Okay, so again we have to play with the identity underscore account, right? So how can we do that, right? So let me add another filter here, and we'll say mask account number and show first 4 digits. Okay, and mask the rest. rest. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are again going to create another variable. Let's call it as masked account. Okay, and the value it is coming is like dollar identity account, right? So let me copy this dollar identity dot account dot. Now here we are using substring, okay, and we are using 0 comma and then 4 character I want to see, right? And then I'm saying plus double quote and then asterisk. This is a custom value. You can give as many as you want, but this is how it is. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, we have to replace this with the variable. Okay. And let me replace it. Perfect. Okay. Now, let me again print the command. Okay. And this time you can see here, it only printed the account number of 4 digit that we had specified here. And then it like added the asterisk sign here. So I can reduce the 2. Okay, I want to only print 2 and then I want to rerun. And you can see here, this time it printed only 2 character, right? 2 digit. Now suppose I want to see the first 6 digit from the account number. So I'll change it here 6 and then I'll rerun the command. And you can see here, now it printed 6. And in the same way, you can increase or decrease the value here to like show the account number in the way that you want. Okay, now let me hide this one because I don't want the user ID. And then here you can see the authenticated AWS identity. It is showing the only the account number and the ARN number. So rather than ARN, I can call it as user. Okay, and then if I print, it is saying okay, user AWS CLI. Okay, so you can use this in any script before running any operation on the AWS console to ensure that okay, you are using the right account to authenticate with the AWS services. If you have any query, you can put that into the comment box. I'll try to answer that. Thank you for watching the video.